Are you tired of ads problem in your mobile? Then this video is for you. In this short video, I will show you 2 methods to fix this annoying pop-up ads issue. Let's get started. First of all, go to browser which you are using, as I use Google Chrome. You have to open Settings, and then Clear Cache and Clear Storage. After doing this, your problem will be fixed. Secondly, go to Settings on your phone. Network and Internet. Private DNS. By default, it will set to auto. You have to select private DNS provider hostname. Here, type dns.adware.com. Save the settings, and now you won't see any ads. Let me know in the comments if this method fixed your problem. I hope this short video will be helpful. Like, share, and subscribe to Jugaar Expert for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.